Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. Okay, let's talk about how cute this packaging is. This is the TONYMOLY Magic Food Banana Hand Milk, and this stuff is really amazing because it has banana extract in it. It is rich in potassium and vitamin A. And it also has shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia nut oil. So it's going to provide maximum hydration and nutrition for your skin. And what I love about it is that it's not too thick and not too thin. So it's pretty great. It's not runny or anything. And it does leave my skin very silky and smooth, and it's not tacky or sticky. It's very quick absorbing, which is great. And there's a nice shine. It's not oily, but just a nice shine. And it does have a faint banana smell, but it's nothing overpowering. It's just very soft and a little hint of sweet. And I do have sensitive skin, and I've never had any problems with breaking out because of the fragrance. It's very subtle. And I love tricking people with this. When I pull it out of my purse, they think that I'm pulling out an apple banana to have for a snack, but I end up telling them that it's a hand cream, and once people try it, they end up loving it, and that's my point of view.